Running a successful manufacturing operation in today's fast-paced environment requires a great team and state-of-the-art technology equipped with the real-time data insights that paint a complete picture of their operational performance across the entire organization. But when your OT data isn't centralized and effectively organized, operational managers are subject to data blind spots, which can lead to a series of operational deficiencies such as unplanned downtime. As delays and back orders continue to build, compounded aftermath is higher operational costs and reduced profit margins. But those challenges don't have to be your story. Imagine a manufacturing operation where key managers and stakeholders had real-time visibility into daily performance that was pulling from every data point across your entire manufacturing organization. Proficy Historian data storage solution offers benefits like 1 millisecond data collection, 100 million tags, data storage for 10 years or more, easy data transfer, all time series data at your plant, and the consolidation of all the data in the plant into one storage location or server. In order for your managers and stakeholders to be empowered to their fullest, our Historian is now available on the cloud. Proficy Historian for Cloud, part of the Proficy software family from GE Vernova, empowers manufacturing leaders with the tools they need to drive optimal performance. With this type of cloud-based data centralization, manufacturers can realize additional benefits beyond those offered with on-premise OT data management, such as increased operational agility, enterprise-wide visibility, and insights, zero downtime upgrades, decreased maintenance time and cost with less on-prem hardware, and an improved foundation for analytics, machine learning, and optimization. With this cloud-based Historian, you can not only connect all of your data from one plant, but across your entire enterprise, while one centralized and organized cloud platform maximizes visibility and capability. In addition, Proficy Historian enables real-time analytics with the ability to store and organize the incredibly vast amount of industrial data manufacturers produce over time across all facilities. This allows manufacturing leaders to look at long-range planning and forecasting easily. With decades of experience and thousands of successful customer installations around the world, we have realized that enterprise scalability is critical for continuous improvement and business growth, which cloud-based solutions support. It's time to bring all of your data to the cloud with Proficy Historian for Cloud, available on the AWS Marketplace. The download and installation process is quick and easy, and all of our latest product documentation and how-to guides are available online. Visit us at ge.com/digital to learn more.